Oh Lord, Jesse made another one. Huh?
No, stop. No, you gotta start it over. I fucked it up. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back. I told you, you'll see me soon. Anywho, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla, if you don't know already. As you can tell by the title, we're just gonna, because we need to get right into this before my camera dies or, you know, does something dumb. But this is my current playlist. Now, this is just, honestly, what's today? As of April 6th, 2019, I have been, like, listening to Ariana Grande's album, Thank You Next, every day. If not every day, like, 6 out of the 7 days of the week, honestly. But if I'm not listening to her, this is what I'm normally listening to. But, guys, I just love the album. I just love her, like, so let's just get her out the way real quick. Let's get her out the way. Okay, I'm not going to play every song off the album. I'm just going to play pretty much all of them are my favorite, but, you know, I'm just going to play some. And I guess I'll just click shuffle and see what comes our way. Okay. This is Break Up With Your Girlfriend.
You got me some type of way. I do not know what to say.
Yeah. My neighbors are going to see me acting like a fool. I don't agree with the message of this song, but it's cute. Break up with your girlfriend. Yeah.
You never fucking met you. Say I'm tripping. Ain't right. You without me. Ain't nice.
Yeah. Oh, this is Kayla. This song, this is me. There's another one that's me too, but this one's me. Okay? Yeah.
And bottles of bubble. We're causing the strings. Burn my own chest. Stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. Yeah. You like my hair? She thinks. Just drop it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it.
Yeah. Shoot. Down to the booth. Let me make a little loop. Give me the loop.
Never mind, I got a juice. Nothing but now when we Listen to the podcast. Nobody knows us. Get in the car like staying up all night.
I wish I could sing. Let me tell you.
Like it's when you love. Click, and post me and take the feel close. Imagine a world like that. Secrets, all of the creep shit. That's how I know it's true, baby.
Hey.
We go like up till I sleep on your chest. Why can't you?
Hey. I gotta get my voice ready. This is my shit. I love it. I love it so much.
Been too long. Enough is enough. I'm 2 blocks away. I'm coming over.
Painted a picture. I thought I knew you well.
My neighbors see me. I'm shy. I'm gonna try. It's my turn.
I invented you. Gucci tennis shoes running from your issues.
Hey.
Boy, you wasn't burden. Everything you want me, do everything you want it. That's how you
I just love this song. I watched this interview with Ariana, and this, like, I don't know. I love her.
Thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. Once saw me love. That's not what I see. Look what it's
This is my shit on my Lanta. Low key, my boyfriend said that I'm needy.
Sorry if I'm up and down a lot. Sorry that I think I'm not enough. Selfish. After all this damage, I can't help it. But what you can trust is I need your touch, and I'm scared to show the world I love you. Needy, so hard to please me. Lying on this.
Because sometimes
That's my
I do
shit.
the best I can, and they can't find something to satisfy me. Look.
I know what you want from me. I know what you think you see.
I know what you want from me. I know what you're looking for, but I'm complete.
I know what you need, but I won't. This song, y'all, this is probably my favorite. I love this.
It's time to leave, I gotta leave now. Got somewhere I gotta be now. I'm starving. After what I've been through, I can't lie. Ooh. They're saying on the TV, it's crazy. It's getting hard for them to shock me. I'll go fake smile.
Okay, here we go.
If I'm hurt, I ain't gon' lie about it. Arms crossed with the attitude, let's got it. If I'm hurt, I ain't gon' lie about it. Neck roll with the attitude.
Enough of her. So, what else we got?
Who you a boo for this?
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah. I just signed a deal, I'm on.
Yeah.
I go where I want, good. Play if you want, the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first play on my body in them. I just check my balance, I probably put some children.
Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want, what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. What I need,
Let me hear you say. Let me hear you say. Ollie popping, twerking in some J's on the dance floor. No panties in the way. I take my time with it. Ow, bring you close to me. Don't want no young niggas
tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time.
You better say that shit. Party don't play that shit. Do my back like I do these records. Break that shit. Baby.
When I put you in, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Well, I'm a city girl, North Miami, where I go. Every time you walk out the door, it's a bag full of ones in the lane, because they open up. I won't judge, don't judge yourself. Promise I'm not here to burden you, I'm here to help. No, for real.
If you're looking for someone to change your life,
I can be the one that
can change your life.
you're looking for someone who can change your life.
So now,
Break your heart and say,
what I'ma do. So long. I'm not feeling down with my love no more. Feelings are getting silly, don't you? So baby, so long.
If you lose me, we got maybe someday. Call you a money or something that's handed to get you some money. She wanna fuck on me, she solid. Run up the money, they come to the comments and go get the money, bitch. Run up the block, if you play with the blow, then you bound to get raped. Keep it swallowing dick, I swear I can't trust her for shit. No, that's a death to the bitch. No, that's a death to the bitch.
Rolling on the roller. And my back, I'm in the air. My demons to me, it was unfair. I don't wanna live, I wanna go there. I don't wanna live, I wanna go there.
She wanna get, she wanna roll, I wanna go. Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Say you want someone. I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality. You are the one that I love you. Say it's gonna be true. I know, and it's my fault. I got the keys to the little bitch heart, and you can't take no fault. Better go get unlocked. Better go get your Glock.
Found my way fast down. On my knees, I was praying when that bag called. Cause some niggas off ever since I've been recording. Ran all the money, we ain't going back. I ain't pressing pause, leave them in the past. Pulled up, with my top down. Four sliding up into my block now. It's so hard, it feels good to be on top now. Cause I came a long way, I came a long way, Cause I came a long way. Cause I came a long way.
Uptown, I put a bus down. Yeah, oh, then I keep dumping truck to my shit in Loca. In the kitchen, whipping that dope up, you can smell the odor. Pop on me, fuck you with your crew, and I hit you with that, you know. Smoke a little hookah, kick it up, pipe down, throwing up shots. First we shut them down, then we open up shop. When this nigga around,
My son is like leaving me. Get dark outside.
I'm so mellow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yeah. 24/7. Yeah.
loving the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't live without you. And then
Love. My bitch is so bad, my niggas all real. I ride his dick in the big tall heels. Take that checks, big large bills. Front out flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give Ross chills. 10 different looks and my looks so kill. Like I'm in the mouth, I was born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. I like ball and dress, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. What I really wanna see is the
I'm living light.
bustin' out the roof. Shake a little ass, get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast, you get a little more.
you got me based on sympathy. Set on my neck, I got a flex. Shit on my ex, you not my bitch. You did me wrong, feel like I can't even call you my ex. Just a flex, how you gon' shit on the kid when you know I isn't sorry. Wasn't it so lovely? Wasn't it so lovely? When you used to love me,
Why can't you love me?
why don't you love me? Twisted this rich, you came back to a nigga. You flew away, came back to a nigga.
I need some water.
Better, oh better. Could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears. Cause it's in my ear. Oh, we open door, hit the couch, then the floor. I cut it up like a scissor. Look, she never bored. That's so much shit we can do. You free to say whatever, baby, if you asking me. No limit when I'm in it, got a masterpiece.
That's on me, baby. But not on me, baby. You know I ain't taking no losses. Yeah, I got heat, baby. No, I don't know nothing about those. No, I don't sleep, baby.
I just saw
You
it.
niggas ain't guessing me, nigga. You that's on me, baby.
Drowning all the time, thinking to myself, if I'm in enough. Every day I'm living like I can't breathe. No
I can get no sleep. Got the weight of the world on me. But it's alright, alright, alright. Just go ahead and let God, cause he got us, yeah. Started running from the police. Now the fuck it up with my homies. All my niggas make it in one piece. Ain't my niggas whipping it in one seat. Oh me, you start acting like you know me. It's too much to finish on your plate, but it's okay. It's okay, okay, okay. Beautiful song, so beautiful. Can you move like my missus? Tricks like a vixen. Start switching positions. Oh. Yeah, you could get out of my love. Now I ain't best, but I'm interested. I'm interested. Never be late. I'll never be late. Jacquees will never be. Jacquees will never be late.
Yeah. Attention, I've been watching what you've been feeling and missing, baby. I got it. You're a cutie, you're beautiful. Please don't cry.
Ooh, this first of all, all you gotta do is call. And I love you second.
Cry.
I don't wanna see you cry. I don't wanna see you cry.
Why?
Baby, beauty doesn't cry. Hey. Alright, y'all. I just want to say, if you're still watching, you're the real one, even with, like, the climate change. Meaning the sun going down. Anyways, thank you for watching this. I mean, I really wish I was a singer, because if I was a singer, your girl would be like that, I'll say. But anyways, if you're still watching this, I appreciate you. You're the bomb. But give it a like, thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more, like, this is kind of like a get to know me type video. But anyways, if you want to see more videos like this, vlogs, anything, let me know. Like this video, subscribe, follow me on my social media accounts. This is not a cute angle. But yeah. So thank you. Love you.